Mangio Pasta or Pizza, Pasta and More. Here in El Nido, Palawan. Hindi pa na. Hintay lang. Nice. You like that? I think that's ano eh. Mami, gusto ni Jensen yung ano, yung may fries daw. Yung may fries daw. Meron pala. Hi guys, this is in Mangio Pizza, Pasta and More here in El Nido, Palawan. Ayan. So, we're using, I think, Grande Grosso na pizza oven natin. Ayan. Sorry, medyo maganda yung bike natin. 2 days tayo nasa tour. So, mahogany color tayo ngayon. Ayan, so ang galing yung pizzaiolo nila. Ayan o. I-stretch yung fresh hand-tossed pizza. Ayan. Ikot natin. Yo. Yan ay atin. Yan ay atin. No, that's tomato sauce. Marinara? Hindi. Depende kung anong gawa. You can waste, no? You can waste Mangio. Dito lang sila sa tabi ng Aura Beach Resort. Yan. So pagkatapos ng shops, dito sila sa may 3rd floor. Customized to eh, Sir Justin. Hindi ko lang alam kung... Balikan ko ha, kasi medyo malaki itong oven nila. Ayan. So, ayan. Medyo malaki. I think nasa ano to? 4 feet. 4 feet by 4 feet. Tapos refractory brick yung kanilang bed. Dito, overlooking na to. Overlooking na sa... Ayan, ano na yan, dagat na yun eh. Ayan. Basta mga kainan din sa baba. Ayan, shops. Ayan.
Why would you put ketchup in feet?
Yan, no? So, hindi siya pre-baked. Talagang, ano to? Fresh dough. Fresh dough. That's it. So, yan. Pinasok na. Pinasok na, guys. Yan. Turn na ni Kuya yan. Haba nung kanyang turning peel, oh. Customize ata ang kanyang pang pihit. Matagal ka na nagpipizza, sir? Matagal na. Pizzaiolo. Wow. 6 years? Wow. You must be Chef Ricardo. Are you chef?
I'm his brother.
Ah, you're the brother of...
Ricardo, yes.
Ah, where is he?
Ricardo Price.
Arresting.
You know my brother?
Huh?
You know?
Yeah, we built the oven.
Ah,
Yeah, so we were here for about 4 days.
Yeah, because now we found this one. This pizza maker is very nice.
Oh yeah. He said that he's
Ricardo,
been doing pizza for 6 years.
Yes.
So you're
Yes,
from
yes.
Italy, right?
Yes, yes.
So which part of Italy are you from?
Treviso, near Venice. You know,
Oh,
this one is the square of Treviso, the first photo.
oh yeah,
Right,
Saint,
yeah,
Saint
yeah.
Mark's Square, right?
Yeah.
I've been to Venice. Yeah.
Ah, Venice, there
Ah,
is
you-
also in Manila, the little Venice.
Yeah, I used to be
you-
working on a cruise ship,
Oh,
and we were
okay.
doing Civitavecchia.
So you know, Civitavecchia, yeah, the port of the other
Yes,
part of
yes.
Venice is
Napoli, we did Napoli.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's why I remember Saint Mark's Square.
Yes, yes. Marco in Venice.
How long have you been here?
3 years.
You like El Nido? You love it. Yeah. Is Chef coming back tonight?
Now we want to change. We
Yeah.
get one bigger.
Oh, you want a bigger oven?
Yes.
Yeah.
For the next high season, we need another one because this one is not big enough now.
Actually, I was speaking to Chef Ricardo before we come here. Yeah. I said, oh, we'll visit your restaurant one night. We're going back tomorrow.
To Manila.
Back to Manila. Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, just send my regards.
You send this one.
Yeah, that's why I'm talking. Yeah,
But
it's
better this one.
the refractory bricks. Yeah.
Yes.
And it retains
They
heat.
need more time for grow the temperature.
Oh yeah,
They
keep the
need
heat. Yes,
after.
yes. Yeah, correct, correct.
And also the doll don't.
So this is your recipe, yeah?
Yeah.
Are you a chef too?
Yes, but me for the kitchen.
Ah,
Not for
so
the
you're-
pizza. Yeah. Ricardo is for the pizza.
Pizzaiola.
Yeah. Pizza maker. No, but this oven, now we have to change also the.
The stack.
Yes. We need-
Is there another floor up here after this one? There's another
No,
floor.
no,
It's
no,
already
no,
the
no.
roof.
No, the roof. Yes, the roof. We make the whole side on the side.
I think if
But
you
it's too
make
much
it like
thinner. It's too much thinner, this one.
if you make the smokestack just straight up with the umbrella, I think it will be faster.
I
Yeah.
tell to Ricardo it's better. But Ricardo was scared that when raining the water go inside.
Ah yeah. That's why you have.
Not in the white.
For example, if you have the
The cut.
yeah.
We can put the silicone,
Yes.
But the silicone.
But if the angle is like that, you
I
know,
lost the
yeah,
power.
the smoke.
There is two angles. This one and also over there.
Here.
Inside from there after. Too much to.
Too much bend.
Have a lot of pressure.
Yeah. I was hoping to meet chef. Yeah. So you've been here together with him how many years?
3 years because
3
I'm
years?
the first that come in.
And then he just
After
followed,
that,
yeah.
Ricardo, come with me. He don't want to come. When coming here, he follow along for the place.
But you were doing pizza in Treviso,
No, I restaurant pasta, Italian food.
and then you just
Yes, Ricardo make a pizza.
nice.
Before make a pizza, now we have him and another one, and they these have experience.
Yeah, he said,
Because this kind of doll is not easy to.
especially here in this weather. Yeah.
No, but also because there's a lot of water inside. That's why if you touch it,
Your hydration is how many percent?
It's 78.
78?
almost 8%. Here in the Philippines, in the middle, all the pizza
Yeah.
is 50, 55. Because it's more
You
easy
don't mind
to
if I
open.
yeah, because it's very humid, no?
Yeah. And also, you know, you don't have, here the kitchen is open, so we can control the temperature.
Yeah. So that's very high, huh? That's
Yes,
78%.
There is a
Huh?
lot of humid, a lot of wet.
Nice. For sure. They're already eating. All right. What's your name, Chef? So please send my regards to
Luca,
Chef
Luca.
Chef Luca.
But they don't. It's always Ricardo that make.
Yeah, he's the one in charge.
Yeah,
Yeah.
only the secret.
I hope he comes
There is
back
the
tonight so
secret.
I can meet him. Thank you, thank you. Ciao, guys. Let's eat.
That's my second.
Pizza.
Okay.
Uy.
Ano yung pasta? Uy, mommy, sa akin.
Careful. Oh, say your prayers first. Oh, thank you. Bon appetit.